Wait. In fact, it's a very common word in English. Have you ever noticed how often do you use the word wait in your everyday English conversations? In this English lesson, we are going to upgrade your English by replacing one very common word, wait. Most learners overuse it, but fluent speakers use many other natural and friendly phrases. So let's learn them with examples. In this lesson, I will teach you 6 words to use instead of wait. Number 1. Instead of saying wait, you can say hold on. It sounds natural and polite. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I need to check my phone. It's very common in Delhi English. Number 2. Just a moment. This is a polite alternative, perfect for customer service and formal situations. Just a moment, I will find the file. Just a moment, I'll bring your order. It sounds very respectful. Number 3. Give me a second. Instead of saying wait, use this phrase when you need a little time. Give me a second, I'm almost ready. This one is very common in Canada and the US. Number 4. Hang on. Hang on means the same as wait, but it's friendly and casual. Hang on, I need to grab my bag. Hang on, I will call you back. So it feels natural in both speaking and texting. Number 5. One sec. This is the quickest and most casual. One sec, I'm almost done. Short, fast, and friendly. Number 6. Bear with me. This is great for polite or professional English. Bear with me while I load the page. Bear with me for a moment, please. Bear with me, I will explain everything. It means please be patient. Final tips. Remember, English is all about sounding natural. Instead of repeating wait, try switching between these phrases depending on the situation. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with friends and subscribe for more easy English lessons every day. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.